Hi, I'm Peter Christo. I'm the CEO of Roman. Roman is about quality, fit and fashion. We have 70 stores in the UK and a large online presence. Once the product was out of the Autostore, we needed a solution to get the product to the packing area. We then turned to Breathe. They came in and proposed a solution that would package 2,000 orders per hour, which blew our mind. The whole process was really quite straightforward. Breathe came in, they started on day one, they stuck to their timeline, didn't have to get involved at all, the job was just done. Because of the efficiency, we now have 10,000 happy customers a day. They order today and receive their goods tomorrow. We know that whatever is thrown at us, we can always double that capacity. The system just copes. It's quite incredible. It just delivers time after time. It is mission critical. We couldn't cope without it.